Oh my god, you're back. Well, in this video, as you can see by the title, I am changing my laptop battery. I know it's not a big deal, but I am not tech savvy. I know nothing about doing this. It took me like 7 YouTube videos just to get through it, and I'm so happy that I was able to do this myself and save a couple dollars. So the only thing I spent money on was the new battery, and I got it from Amazon. It cost me about 50 something dollars. And when I tell you, I went through hell doing this, I went through hell. First of all, it took me a couple tries to find the right screwdriver to go open the back of my laptop, and then I had to watch videos to figure out how to take it off, how to take the back panel off. After that, oh yeah, side note, look at my nails. They're cute, right? I did that myself. And I have a video of it. So yeah, go watch that. Now, as I'm about to take the panel off, I know some people will come for me. I have owned this laptop since the end of 2014. I bought this when I was in graduate school, and I've had it since then, have never changed the battery, never done anything to it. So this is my first time actually going in there, and I show you the battery. See what it looks like in the box. I have never opened this thing. I've never given it to anyone to open it. I mean, it served me well so far, and it's still working. Opening this, the dust in there was a lot of dust. I got my sister's dust blower. It looks like a kettle, and it's a plug-in one because she built her own computer, so she has one of those dust blowers that you plug in, and it's really powerful. I'm glad she had that because I was able to get off some of the dust inside the laptop. And then I proceeded from there. As you can see, my iPad came in clutch because every single thing I watched, I forgot. So I had to go back in, watch videos while I was doing it, and that kind of helped. So I did this as soon as I got home from work, and I saw that the battery came in the mail. I was like, I'm not doing anything the next day. Might as well just do it. So I went to work on the laptop. I was figuring out what type of screwdrivers to use for which parts, not realizing that the battery actually came with 3 screwdrivers, not labeled, just 3 screwdrivers. So it took a lot of trying to see what screwdriver fit what screws and whatnot, but overall it was a fun experience. And you see how dusty it is? It was a mess in there. As you can see, I tried using tissue paper to clean it. Don't judge me. I'm not tech savvy. I don't know what's supposed to be used in there. But side note again, my nails look bomb as fuck. Alright, so I finally got the laptop open. Then it took me a while to get the freaking old batteries out. I don't know what they stuck them down with, but it took me almost an hour to pull them out. I had my brother help me pull it, and we kept going brick by brick. As you can see, I think there are like six bricks in there of the whole battery thing, and they're all glued down with God knows what. After we got it out, finally, and I almost broke my nail doing it with him, I think I cleaned the laptop and then proceeded to add the new battery. And the rest of the video, you just see me replacing it. I'm quite proud of myself, and obviously it's working because I am using it to edit this video. So yeah. If you made it through to the end, thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.